Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check send follower request on Instagram, right? So first of all, you have to just go to the Instagram. I will show you some of the ways which you can check whether send follow request on Instagram, right? So here on the top right side corner, just click on the menu bar and go to the your activity center. Now here you can find it, but the best thing is that just go to the bottom, scroll to the bottom right, and here just click on download your information, because this is the only way where you can find to how many people you have sent your follow request over the Instagram. Once you click over that, this option will get to open. Just wait for a few seconds, and here click on request download, right? Here you have to select your account, right? And once you select any of the account, right, you can just click on the next. Now click on you want a complete copy or you want selected type of information. So you want a selected type of information, just click over there, right? Because you only want the follow request which you have sent. Once you click over that, just wait for a few seconds till it get load. Once it get open, you will see a lot of option here, right? Just scroll a little bit down, and here you will find this option of connection. Now click on the friends followers, right? And after that, click on the next, and it will get sent to your email address, right? And after that, you can see that you will see another lot of information here. You can select the option of follow request, and once you select that, it will get sent to it over your email address. All right, and it will be get frequently sent it over, like I just got it in the next 2 hours, so it can happen with you too. So you can just download it right from the email, and you can just access that to whom you have sent the follow request on Instagram. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.